GMAPOP 4K Car Dashcam. The GMAPOP 4K Car Dashcam DVR recorder offers a range of advanced features tailored for drivers who value safety, convenience, and high-quality video recording. The compact and sleek design of the GMAPOP Dashcam allows for discreet placement on your windshield. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, even in extreme temperatures, making it a reliable companion in various climates. 4K Ultra HD recording quality. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and an impressive 170-degree wide-angle view, this dashcam captures every detail on the road. Whether you're documenting scenic drives or ensuring safety during your commute, the crystal-clear footage provides excellent clarity. App control and built-in Wi-Fi. The ability to control the dashcam via a mobile app enhances user convenience. The Wi-Fi connection simplifies the process of viewing, downloading, or sharing recordings without needing to remove the memory card. 24-hour parking monitoring with voice control. The dashcam's parking monitor feature ensures continuous surveillance even when the car is parked. Coupled with voice control, it allows hands-free operation, adding an extra layer of convenience and safety. Night shot function and G-sensor technology. The IMX307 imaging sensor and night shot feature ensure excellent low-light performance, making it a reliable option for nighttime driving. The G-sensor automatically locks footage during sudden impacts or collisions, ensuring critical moments are preserved. Loop cycle recording. The device offers seamless loop recording, which automatically overwrites older footage when the storage is full. This ensures you always have the most recent recordings without worrying about running out of space. Audio recording and wide dynamic range. The inclusion of audio recording and wide dynamic range ensures balanced exposure in high-contrast lighting situations. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where road conditions change frequently. Generous memory support. The dashcam supports up to 256 GB external memory, providing ample storage for extended trips or long-term usage. The included Class 10 memory card ensures smooth and fast data transfer. Qualcomm 4K Dashcam. The Qualcomm UHD 4K Dashcam is a premium driving recorder designed to enhance security and capture crystal-clear footage during your travels. Equipped with advanced features and superior hardware, it provides comprehensive coverage with its dual-lens setup, night vision capabilities, GPS tracking, and seamless smartphone connectivity. 4K Ultra HD recording. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160 pixels at 30 frames per second, delivering footage with exceptional clarity. This is further complemented by a 1080 pixels rear camera for full coverage. Novatec 96670 processor. A top-tier chipset ensuring smooth operation and professional-grade 4K video recording with 12 megapixels photos. Wide field of view. The front lens offers a 170 degrees wide-angle view, while the rear lens covers 140 degrees, minimizing blind spots and ensuring a comprehensive perspective. Superior night vision. Featuring a Sony GC4653 sensor, 6 layers of high-quality glass lenses, and an f1.8 aperture, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, providing detailed and balanced nighttime footage. Compact build. The portable design makes it easy to install in any vehicle. 1.47-inch OLED screen. A vibrant display allows easy switching between 4 modes: front view, rear view, standby, and app QR code. Wi-Fi functionality. With the Viger app, users can live view, edit, and download videos or photos directly to their smartphone, making sharing effortless. Built-in GPS. Tracks speed, direction, and coordinates in real time. This feature is valuable for providing evidence in case of disputes, including speed-related incidents. G-sensor and parking monitoring. Automatically detects and locks footage during collisions or impacts, preventing critical evidence from being overwritten. The parking monitor provides 24/7 security with a time-lapse mode or motion detection triggers. Loop recording. Ensures continuous recording by overwriting older footage, except for protected files triggered by events like sudden impacts. Memory support. Compatible with micro SD cards ranging from 16 GB to 256 GB. BeepoCam 4K Mini Dash Cam. The BeepoCam ZD03 UHD 4K Mini Dash Cam is a compact and high-performance option for those seeking reliable in-car video recording. Designed for clarity and functionality, this dash cam offers advanced features at a competitive price. Ultra HD 4K resolution. Captures crisp, detailed 2160 pixels footage, making it ideal for recording license plates, road signs, and other critical details during both day and night driving. Compact design. The ZD03's mini size ensures discreet installation, blending seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. Wide-angle lens. A 150 degrees field of view minimizes blind spots and covers multiple lanes, enhancing safety and situational awareness. Wi-Fi connectivity. Built-in Wi-Fi allows users to view and download recordings via a smartphone app, simplifying file management and sharing. Parking monitoring. Features a 24-hour parking mode to record incidents while your vehicle is parked, providing added security against vandalism or theft. Ease of use. Comes with a user-friendly interface and straightforward setup, making it accessible for non-technical users. Customization options. Available in different configurations, such as including or excluding SD cards 64 GB or 128 GB, allowing users to choose based on their needs. The BeepoCam ZD03 UHD 4K Mini Dash Cam offers an excellent balance of quality, features, and affordability. Its 4K video resolution, user-friendly features, and parking monitoring make it a compelling choice for budget-conscious buyers. However, it's best suited for users prioritizing core functionalities over advanced aesthetics and premium materials. Lingdu 4K Dash Cam. The Lingdu D500 4K Dash Cam stands out in the dash cam market with its blend of advanced features and user-centric design. Its Ultra HD recording capabilities, combined with GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and night vision, make it a reliable and versatile option for everyday drivers and road enthusiasts alike. Ultra HD 4K resolution. The Lingdu D500 captures videos in 4K Ultra HD, ensuring clarity for crucial details like road signs, license plates, and pedestrians. Its 6-glass lens design and f1.8 aperture improve video quality in various lighting conditions. GPS tracking. Built-in GPS provides real-time location updates. Drivers can monitor speed and routes, which is particularly useful for evidence in case of disputes or accidents. The Lingdu GPS player further enhances usability with detailed satellite data and trajectory tracking. Wi-Fi connectivity and app integration. Equipped with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi module, this dash cam allows seamless connection to the Lingdu app, offering remote access to recorded footage and real-time views. The app's intuitive design ensures effortless navigation and customization of camera settings. Voice control. The inclusion of voice commands adds convenience, letting drivers operate the dash cam hands-free for tasks like video recording, photo capture, or toggling settings. Advanced night vision. With the Novatec NT96565 high-performance CPU, the D500 excels in low-light scenarios, ensuring high-definition footage at night or in dim environments. Performance. Crystal clear 4K resolution during the day provides sharp and vivid details. The dash cam's advanced technology reduces glare and enhances visibility, outperforming many competitors in nighttime clarity. Strengths. Combines high-quality recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control in a compact device. Designed to withstand various driving conditions, ensuring durability and consistent performance. KQQ 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The KQQ 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam offers a robust combination of features that cater to safety-conscious drivers and tech enthusiasts. Dual lens recording. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, with an option to switch to 2.5K resolution for file size management. The rear camera captures footage in 1080 pixels Full HD, ensuring complete coverage. A wide-angle view 170 degrees front, 150 degrees rear minimizes blind spots and enhances the field of vision. App connectivity. Using the Viger app, the dashcam connects to smartphones via Wi-Fi, allowing real-time playback, video management, and one-click downloads on both iOS and Android devices. Safety and storage features. Automatically overwrites old files when storage is full. G-sensor detects collisions and locks critical footage to prevent overwriting, safeguarding evidence. Enhanced night vision. HDR technology balances light and improves clarity in low-light conditions, while the f1.8 aperture and 6-glass lens enhance image quality at night. The KQQ 4K Wi-Fi dashcam is an excellent choice for those seeking advanced safety features and convenience. Its high-resolution recording, app integration, and reliable customer support make it a valuable addition to any vehicle.
Yeah.